Traffic Sentinel system will not stop. In fact, it would be now replicated at all India level. Goa Police has also dismissed all the allegations and reservations expressed by several parties, organizations and general public regarding this mobile app policing. But many are still demanding that the scheme of community policing be scrapped.
After incidents of mob gathering and assaulting traffic sentinels by the traffic violators, SP Traffic Dinraj Govekar and DYSP Dharmesh Angle on Friday had a press briefing. He dealt with all the objections raised and also warned the people to stop the nonsense of attacking the sentinels.
Now we have around 5,834 traffic sentinels enrolled. People say there is no awareness, enough awareness is not there. Now, I don't know why awareness is required for a person who speaks on a mobile while riding two-wheeler or while driving. Why awareness is required for a person who drives under the influence of alcohol, or he overspeeds, or for a helmet? Why awareness is required? According to us, no awareness is required because these are the basic things. They say that only two-wheelers are targeted. There is no question of targeting two-wheelers. We challenge everybody. If you see, there are around 70% of the vehicles are two-wheelers. They say that helmet is not compulsory in city. I don't know. There is no such exclusion. The exception is not there. That helmet is compulsory for everybody. Total 182 deaths were of two-wheeler. And if you see the percentage, around 74% of the riders were not wearing helmets. Accidents do occur on good road also, bad road also. So, driving under influence of alcohol, speaking on mobile, riding without helmet, in what way it is connected with the condition of the road? Another argument is that morphing of photos. I don't know, this app is designed in such a way that you cannot import or export photo from this app. And you cannot save these photographs which have been recorded in the gallery of the mobile phone. So there is no question of downloading it also. It remains on the server. Some people say that they are receiving double challans, or several challans are received on the same day or same time on the same road. Now, if person is committing an offense repeatedly, if he is recorded here in Panjim city, and if he is recorded at Kadamba stand, these are the two distinct places. So it is natural that two challenges will go to him. Due to printing mistake, there can be more than one notice. You come to us, I am there, DYSP traffic is there to take care of all these things. Many of them are saying that that is a social unrest. I don't think that there is a social unrest. These are the people who oppose traffic implementation of the scheme and basically the enforcement. These are the people who violate the law. People should stop all this nonsense, because the violence is not the solution. If anybody is having some problem with the scheme, they can very well come to us, discuss, and no way we are going to spare all these people. We have registered cases. All the cases have been registered as the cognizable cases. In some cases, arrests have also been made, and they will be charge sheeted. This is the scheme, and this has been approved. There is no question of withdrawing. This scheme will go to all other states, and many states have contacted us, and they want to implement this scheme in their state also.
Our video journalist Yashwant Parab in Panji.